Hey, this is Wendy with Loaves and Dishes, and today we are going to be steaming some carrots in the microwave. It is so easy, and it's the best way to preserve all those goodies in your carrots without losing anything. Here's what you're going to need. Just some carrots and water, and either a plastic bag or a bowl or plate and some plastic wrap, or a bowl and a saucer. Anyway, you just put your carrots that you're going to use in the plastic bag. See that? I'm using baby carrots, so I didn't have to trim them. But if you're using whole carrots, just peel them and then cut them however you want in discs or whatever. Leave a little gap in the top of your bag so that steam can escape. Oh, I forgot to put the water in. 2 tablespoons of water. It's not very much. You don't want to boil them. You're just steaming them. Leave the little space. And then spread them out a little in your bag and put the bag on a saucer. And into the microwave they go. 3 to 5 minutes for perfectly steamed carrots. There we go. That bag and that plate is hot. Use a hot plate. Use a hot mitt. And then when you're taking them out of the bag, see, I'm being careful. That plate is hot. Don't let the steam burn your fingers. Be very careful. Anyway, here you go. Perfectly steamed carrots. Great for your recipe or to have as a side dish. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's go on to the next way. We're going to steam these using some plastic wrap. So, same concept. Put your carrots in your bowl. And then add some water, 2 tablespoons of water, form your plastic wrap around, leave a little space so the steam can escape, and off to the microwave they go, 3 to 5 minutes. It will be very hot when it comes out. Use an oven mitt. Let's see what they look like. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Now, if you really want to add some flavor before you put them in the microwave, add some butter, salt and pepper, and a little bit of brown sugar. You won't be sorry. Finally, let's do the recommended way. This is the easiest way. Put your carrots in your bowl. There's the bowl. Put the carrots in the bowl. Add your water and any seasonings or butter, sugar, whatever you want to add. Honey is delicious. Rosemary is good. So is thyme. Put those in the bowl, add your water, and then, this is so easy, just put a saucer on the top. What's taking me so long? I had to get a little more water. Okay. Just clap a saucer on the top, stick it in the microwave, and hey, when it comes out, the saucer has changed. There they are, perfect carrots. All right, you join me next time, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hey, this is Wendy. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you'll join Sarah and I on our mother-daughter adventures in takeout. You can find Dorks with Sporks wherever you download podcasts or at dorkswithsporks.com.